Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Speak Fluent English channel. Today, we will learn how to use some of the most common prepositions in English. Prepositions are very important because they help us show relationships between words, including place, time, direction, and movement. In this lesson, we will learn 7 useful prepositions with simple explanations and easy examples. Let's begin. First, let's learn the preposition under. Under means below or in a lower position. We use it when something is beneath another thing. Let's practice some simple sentences. The cat is under the table. The car is under the bridge. My shoes are under the bed. The bag is under the chair. Next, let's learn the preposition over. Over means above, covering, or across something. We use it when something is higher than another thing, or moves across something. Let's practice. The plane is flying over the house. We drove over the hill. The bridge goes over the river. The lamp is over the table. Now, let's learn the preposition before. Before means earlier than a time or event. We use it when something happens first. Let's practice. I drink coffee before breakfast. Finish your homework before you leave. Please arrive before the meeting. I will call you before Monday morning. Next, we have the preposition after. After means later than a time or event. We use it when something happens following another action or time. Let's practice. I go for a walk after lunch. We went home after the party. She talked to me after the class. We will travel after the weekend. Now, let's learn the preposition during. During means in the course of a period of time. We use it when something happens inside a specific time. Let's practice. I watched a movie during the evening. Please be quiet during the meeting. He learned a lot during the holiday. She fell asleep during the movie. Next, we have the preposition until. Until means up to a particular time. It shows when something continues and stops. Let's practice. I will stay here until tomorrow. Wait here until I come back. The office is open until 5 p.m. We will stay here until next week. Finally, let's learn the preposition out of. Out of means from inside to outside. We use it when someone or something moves from the inside of a place to the outside. Let's practice. Take the book out of the box. He walked out of the building. She came out of the room. The dog ran out of the house. Thank you for watching this lesson from the Speak Fluent English channel about common prepositions in English. I hope this lesson helped you understand these prepositions more clearly. Practice these examples every day, and your English will improve. See you in the next lesson.